Hi viewers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an enchanting journey into the world of fennel, a delightful herb that not only adds flavor to culinary delights but also holds a treasure trove of medicinal wonders. From ancient civilizations to modern times, fennel has been celebrated for its diverse healing properties and has found a place in traditional medicine systems worldwide. Join us as we unveil the medicinal uses of fennel, exploring its historical significance, nutritional profile, and the scientific evidence behind its remarkable health benefits. Get ready to discover the magic of fennel and how it can enhance your well-being in ways you never imagined. Let's dive in. Fennel, scientifically known as Foeniculum vulgare, is an aromatic and flavorful herb. It has captivated the senses and palates of humans for millennia. Its delicate, feathery leaves and bulbous white bulb are not only a culinary delight but also a treasure trove of medicinal wonders. Revered by ancient civilizations for its healing properties, fennel continues to hold a prominent place in traditional medicine systems around the world. From aiding digestion to soothing respiratory ailments, fennel's diverse medicinal uses have stood the test of time. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the fascinating world of fennel, exploring its historical significance, nutritional composition, and the scientific evidence supporting its remarkable health benefits. Fennel's history is deeply rooted in ancient cultures, where it held a significant place in both culinary and medicinal practices. Native to the Mediterranean region, fennel was cultivated by ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. In these civilizations, fennel was not only prized for its flavor and aromatic qualities but also esteemed for its therapeutic effects. Ancient Greeks used fennel to treat various ailments, including digestive issues and respiratory disorders. In traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, fennel has been used for centuries to address a wide range of health concerns. The use of fennel as a medicinal herb spans across cultures, making it a revered botanical treasure throughout history. Before we explore fennel's medicinal uses, let's first examine its nutritional value. Fennel is a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are potent antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. Fennel also provides minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are vital for various bodily functions. Moreover, fennel is abundant in dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. Number 1. Digestive health and relief from indigestion. One of the most well-known and time-honored medicinal uses of fennel is its ability to support digestive health. The herb possesses carminative properties, which means it can help alleviate gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Chewing fennel seeds or drinking fennel tea after a meal can promote digestion and soothe the digestive tract. This makes fennel a popular natural remedy for indigestion and gastrointestinal disturbances. Number 2. Reduction of menstrual discomfort. Fennel has been used traditionally to ease menstrual discomfort and alleviate symptoms like cramps and bloating. It contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic the hormone estrogen in the body. These compounds may help regulate hormone levels and reduce menstrual symptoms, providing relief for women experiencing menstrual discomfort. Number 3. Boosting immune system. Fennel's rich vitamin C content contributes to its immune-boosting potential. Vitamin C enhances the body's defense against infections and strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption of fennel can aid in warding off common colds, flu, and other viral or bacterial infections. Number 4. Supporting heart health. Fennel contains potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, fennel's antioxidant properties may protect the heart from oxidative stress, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Fennel's anti-inflammatory effects, attributed to its various bioactive compounds, can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes fennel a potential ally in the prevention and management of conditions like arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 7. Antimicrobial activity. Fennel has demonstrated antimicrobial properties, making it effective against certain pathogens, including bacteria and fungi. Studies have shown that fennel extracts exhibit inhibitory effects on the growth of harmful microorganisms, suggesting its potential use as a natural antimicrobial agent. Number 8. Promoting eye health. Fennel contains essential nutrients like vitamin A and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining eye health. These nutrients protect the eyes from oxidative damage and may reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. Fennel, a gift from nature's bounty, has been an integral part of human history for its culinary, aromatic, and medicinal virtues. From aiding digestion and relieving menstrual discomfort to supporting respiratory health and promoting heart health, fennel's versatility as a medicinal herb is awe-inspiring. Its centuries-old legacy in traditional medicine systems continues to inspire scientific research, shedding light on the molecular mechanisms behind its medicinal benefits. As with any natural remedy, it is crucial to use fennel judiciously and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health conditions or are on medications. Embrace the medicinal marvel of fennel and explore the wealth of health benefits it has to offer. Whether you choose to enjoy it as a tea, incorporate it into your culinary creations, or use it in various herbal remedies, fennel can be a valuable ally in your journey towards holistic well-being. Let nature's healing power of fennel nurture and revitalize your mind, body, and spirit. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video.